myself. My name is Suci Nimanuho, and you may call me Suci. I am a student of SMP and Pidato. On this occasion, I am going to deliver a speech with the title, The Power of Pancasila. But before that, I would like to invite us thanking to God because of His kindness, so we can stay here in good condition. Ladies and gentlemen, all countries of the world have recognized that Indonesia is a unique nation. Why? Because Indonesia was built on diversity. Many people feel amazed because we put on unity and diversity as national identity. And this history already inherited many years since the leadership of Insinyur Sukarno until in the era of Insinyur Joko Widodo. However, democracy propaganda has brought bad effect to our society. People are starting to misuse freedom, such as forming radical and fanatical groups that threaten the integrity of Indonesia. My beloved audience, in 2020, Mahfud MD, who served as coordinating minister for political, legal, and security affairs, announced that there are several radical groups threatening our country, such as the Indonesia Hizbut Tahrir Community, the Indonesia Mujahideen Council, and the Preparatory Committee for the Enforcement of Islamic Law. The government of Indonesia firmly rejects the existence of this group because it is considered disturbing the integrity. And according to Mahfud MD, the best way to maintain the integrity of Indonesia's state is to make Pancasila as the way of life and the foundation of our country. Pancasila is fixed price. Ladies and gentlemen, actually, the term of Pancasila is derived from Sanskrit, which consists of two words. They are Panca means five and Sila means principle. Then, in 1945, Pancasila was proposed by Sukarno as the five principles of Indonesia's state, and it refers to some points. They are belief in the one and only God, a just and civilized humanity, unity of Indonesia Democracy, led by the wisdom of the representative of the people, and social justice for all Indonesia. My beloved audience, Pancasila has great power to maintain the integrity of this nation because it has philosophical values as the way of life. For making clear, let's see them one by one. First, belief in the one and only God. This principle means that we have to trust to the one and only God with our faith, and we are expected to respect other people's religion. Second, a just and civilized humanity. It means that as the Indonesian citizens, we have to stand right, so that we must love, take care and help each other, different tribe and justice, and work together to maintain the peace of the nation. Third, unity of Indonesia Democracy. The third principle requires us to place the unity and the interests of the state from personal interests. We must also be willing to sacrifice for Indonesia's state, love the Indonesian people and homeland, and be proud of the country. Fourth, led by the wisdom of the representative of the people. The fourth principle means that we are not allowed to impose our interests, but we have to prioritize the interests of the nation. And the last, social justice for all Indonesia. It means that we are expected to be fair to each other in any situation. Having a fair attitude will help strengthen unity and prevent division. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe that Indonesia will be able to become a just, prosperous, and dignified nation if we apply Pancasila in our daily life. And as young generation, I invite us to protect the integrity of this nation in a different way. We don't need to fight with bamboo spiking. We also don't need to fight Japan or Netherlands. But we only need to maintain the integrity of our nation by practicing and implementing the values of Pancasila in our life. My beloved brother and sister, I think that's all about my speech, and thank you very much for your attention.